Good Sunday afternoon. Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a quick update on the winter weather, which is beginning to fall across parts of the ArkLaTex in the form of some light drizzle and freezing drizzle. You can see temperatures right now ranging from the upper teens to low 20s north. Right now, being shortly afternoon on this Sunday, further to the south, temperatures are still in the 30s and 40s. Wind chill factors, something we're going to be talking about quite a bit here during the course of the next few days. Those are, for the most part, in the basically the teens and 20s across the area. You can see the current wind chills at 27 in Shreveport, 11 in Texarkana. Those numbers will drop in the next couple of days, as we'll discuss in a couple of minutes. Meantime, you can see the latest here, again about 12:30. Pinpoint Doppler showing you the mixed bag of precipitation. It is very, very light thus far, and that's probably going to continue to be the case for the rest of the afternoon. We'll likely see the increase in intensity during the nighttime hours tonight. Quick look at Futurecast shows the mainly light freezing drizzle and freezing sleet and freezing rain, which will increase here during the nighttime hours tonight. Should start to see some snow mixed in over the northern sections of the area. You can see these areas of gray over parts of southwest Arkansas. Those are areas that Futurecast thinks, and other high-res models showing pretty much the same location. That's where the snow more than likely will be limited to as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. And we will see that precipitation gradually come to an end from northwest to southeast as the winter mix will reach its peak in intensity late tonight into Monday morning, and then it ends during the day on Monday. And then Monday night, we will see the clouds more than likely begin to decrease. That's going to allow temperatures to dip into the single digits and low to middle teens, and wind chill will become an issue again by Tuesday morning. More on that again in a second. Meantime, let's talk about accumulations that we're going to be looking at here across the ArkLaTex, and you can see that for the location of the precipitation types, this is where Futurecast thinks we will see some accumulating snow. I'm going to add to that the possibility of maybe accumulating sleet. And here is, and notice how those overlap. So some areas will see both snow and sleet. Some areas could see all three, and you could see mainly pink over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. That's where we will likely be stuck with mainly freezing rain with maybe a few pellets of sleet mixed in from time to time. So that's the type of precipitation that we're looking at. Let's talk about the amounts, how much of those three. And you can see Futurecast showing 1 to 2 inches of snowfall possible over mainly extreme northeast Texas, much of McCurtain County, and the northern half of southwest Arkansas, with the heaviest totals maybe closer to 2 inches over parts of Hempstead and Nevada counties. No snow over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. This is where we could be looking at the areas of sleet. You can see the minor accumulations of that indicated by Futurecast. And the most concerning thing very well could be the freezing rain possibilities. You can see Futurecast now showing anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And we start to get worried with power issues if the freezing rain totals exceed 1/4 of an inch. So that's something we'll have to keep an eye on as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. After that, as I mentioned earlier, the issue will become the wind chill. And you can see those numbers tumbling as we see those temperatures Monday night fall. We'll see wind chills drop below 0 over the northwest half of the area, and we'll be close to 0 over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. We do have a wind chill advisory, which is going to be in effect. And again, as far as road conditions, they will likely be at their worst as the precipitation falls. We might see a little bit of improvement on Tuesday with some sunshine kind of raising the road temperatures just a bit, but anything that melts Tuesday only going to refreeze Tuesday night, and then we'll see some improvement back to normal on Wednesday. So your forecast tonight, expect that winter mix. We'll see lows dipping into the mid to upper teens over the north and low to middle 20s over the south. That includes 23 tonight in Shreveport, 18 degrees for the low temperature in Texarkana. Tomorrow we will see again 1 to 2 inches of snow as far as a total accumulation over the north. Again, that 1 to maybe 2/10 of an inch of ice accumulation south, as temperatures pretty much area-wide will stay below freezing. Only 28 for the high tomorrow in Shreveport, 25 in Texarkana. Might get close to freezing in both Natchitoches and Many. 10-day forecast shows that we will see Again, the sub-freezing temperatures probably continue into Wednesday. We will warm into the 40s Wednesday, 50s Thursday, and then we cool off again. Notice the beginning of next week, another chance for some rain returns, and that rain could stick around for a couple days. So again, travel not recommended here as we go through the latter stages of the Sunday, especially Sunday night and Monday. We should get back to normal as we look ahead to Wednesday, as temperatures Wednesday return to the 40s.